Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I'm Benjamin Bookkeeper, your financial guide. Today, we're tackling a practical topic: meal planning on a budget. If you're looking to save money while still enjoying delicious and nutritious meals, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our discussions on all things money. Let's dive in. Meal planning offers numerous benefits beyond just saving money. It helps you eat healthier, reduce food waste, and save time during busy weekdays. By planning your meals in advance, you can also avoid the temptation of ordering takeout or dining out, which can quickly add up in expenses. Start by assessing your dietary needs and preferences. Consider any dietary restrictions, family members' preferences, and the number of meals you'll need to plan for. Understanding your needs allows you to tailor your meal plan accordingly, ensuring everyone is satisfied while staying within budget. Set aside some time each week to create a meal plan. Choose recipes that utilize ingredients you already have on hand and plan meals around affordable staples like beans, grains, and seasonal produce. Be flexible with your meal plan and incorporate leftovers to minimize food waste. Make a list of ingredients needed for your meal plan and stick to it while grocery shopping. Avoid impulse purchases by staying focused on your list. Consider buying generic brands, purchasing items in bulk, and using coupons or cashback apps to further reduce costs. Save time and money by batch cooking meals and prepping ingredients in advance. Cook large batches of staples like grains, proteins, and sauces that can be used in multiple meals throughout the week. Store prepped ingredients in portion containers for quick and easy assembly during busy days. Periodically evaluate your grocery expenses and meal plan effectiveness. Identify areas where you can cut costs or improve efficiency. Be open to adjusting your meal plan based on feedback and changing circumstances. And there you have it. Meal planning on a budget made simple. By following these tips, you can enjoy delicious meals while saving money and reducing food waste. If you want to learn about how to build a strong financial foundation, click the link above to check out my previous video. And stay tuned for my next video on creating financial goals and milestones. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips on Money Talk with Ben. Until next time, and enjoy a delicious budget meal.